welcome back to a new outdoor ting video. Today we're wild camping in a super remote location. It's taken us a long time to get here.
Was quite hard to find a flat place where to can put the tent, because actually it's very deep, as you can see around.
Steep.
We're gonna show
Very steep.
steep.
Yeah.
Steep.
You said deep.
It's steep, and it's all the floor, the ground is pretty much stone. So we're gonna build up our place.
And then we're going to get a tent up, cook some burgers.
I made it.
Yeah, we got some burgers tonight, so that's going to be nice because we have been walking a long way today. So I can't wait. So let's get stuff done.
Boom.
Okay, so we're back again with the Elf Kit brew kit. Hopefully it works because we haven't got a lighter.
Hopefully it's nice, the hamburger, because it's been out of the fridge for 8 hours.
Yeah, that's fine.
I put in vacuum, but
yeah, Betty loves a vacuum.
yeah.
Never everything vacuum.
I put in vacuum actually 2 burgers. I tried to make the burger, but in the bag carry everything. It became flat.
Pancake burgers, but flat burgers are better.
And then in mine I put spinach because I want vegetable. I vacuum for just one salad.
Yeah, she's put lettuce and tomato in a vacuum bag.
And also the cheese. Look, you got cheese,
Add
spicy
cheese for
cheese.
me, and all the oils come out, so it's low fat.
Perfect, low fat. Yeah,
And I've got a new frying pan this time, AliExpress special. It's about
I
a
forgot
tenner.
your sauce, Josh.
We're loving it. Yeah, well, I'm sauceless today.
Yeah.
Okay, and we got some sporks as well.
Josh, mira, No!
Do you need a knife to open the bags? Oh.
Come on. Oh.
Yeah, look, we've even bought real burger breads here. Lovely jubbly, this is proper camping here. We've got burger breads.
Ah, answer.
We've got yellow burgers.
Oh.
No one's seen yellow burgers before. And we got beer. Anyway, so we have a little tour of the campsite. Here's the tent. We're rocking the Naturehike cloudup 3 as usual. Naturehike beds, Naturehike sleeping bags, and as you can see, this is the campsite. There's not even a trekking trail or anything for about 3 or 4 kilometers. We are literally in the middle of nowhere on the edge of a massive cliff. I'm going to walk down here now to this cliff and show you.
Come on.
So, nice fresh lettuce in the vacuum. Jesus Christ, vacuum. Bloody vacuum. I'll give you some advice, guys. If you want to make your girlfriend happy at Christmas, buy her a vacuum machine. because Betty loves her vacuum machine. It's like Christmas every day. She gets to put something in a freaking vacuum. And I'm still doubting the freshness of this.
It works if you leave it in the fridge, not outside under the sun at 28 degrees for 8 hours. What do you think?
Well, I think you should take it back then. It's not doing the job. You bought it for camping, no?
Yeah.
Exactly.
I bought for me.
Look, this cheese has turned into one cheese. Jesus Christ. Is it hot in the middle?
Yes.
Stick your finger in.
Ah.
Really?
See, Dai, put your finger. Why you have to put my finger inside?
Because you're better at heat than me.
There, put your finger in. Ah.
Ah, yeah, it's hot.
Come on, raise one. Here, bum.
Cheers, guys. We're on the mountain burgers. Cheers, Betty, for your expert cooking. Now let's review this.
I need some salt.
But it's hot. It's hot. Ooh. And it's amazing. This is the best camping food I've ever had. Thank you, Betty.
De nada.
Now is mine, Amado. Okay?
Yeah.
What's in yours?
The same. Chicken, spinach, and like yours, and curcuma or turmeric.
Why did you put spinach in mine?
Because you're more fussy. And you
I
have to
like
make,
it.
yeah, but you have to make bigger. You want it smaller, then there is not much protein, and then there is not much bread, and there is no much.
I know, I'm terrible.
Is it nice?
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Is it
10 out
nice?
of 10. Told you, huh? Italian. Good cook.
Is it nice? Really?
Yeah,
Ah,
10 out of 10. I would eat it again. I could eat it every day.
ah. Ah. Come on now.
How is your spinach chicken
I
omelette
didn't-
thing then, Betty?
I didn't cook properly because it's not my kitchen. Yes, but what?
Lovely jubbly, look at that.
I wanted to eat it fast, so
They call
I
that a smash burger. So, we're going to have the soup in a minute. And then, it's time to relax in the tent, huh? So, dinner is done.
Yeah, fully belly. Sounds sounds full. Sounds full. This. Oh, well,
Now
it's
we're gonna get in the tent. I've just been flying the drone around a bit. Now we're gonna get in the tent and get warm.
Yeah, ready for tomorrow.
Walking back.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Okay. And then traveling back to Tenerife. Hey guys, we're in the tent now, about to try and get some sleep. It's like 9 o'clock at night and it's probably like 22 degrees and we're like 1,900 meters above the sea.
Yeah, it's not full.
Anyway, good night guys, see you in the morning. up. I've packed all my things away as usual. I'm waiting for Betty to pack hers away. Just waiting for Betty as usual. And then we're going to get the coffee on the go. Quite a good night's sleep. Apart from, you know, the hill, because on the hill it's always a bit annoying when you keep sliding down, but apart from that, it was very nice sleep. Very windy last night. You could hear the wind going through the trees. It was like forest. Molly's going hyper again. Molly!
Good morning.
We just got coffee on the go. Tent's been put down.
I'll clean up.
Yeah, just about to do a quick sweep of the campsite, make sure there's no trash.
I didn't sleep very well, but I know I'm not at home. I'm not in a restaurant, in a resort. But it's good, huh? But just I need to figure out how to do for don't let him move.
Yes. So we're going to sweep the campsite, and then we're going to move out.
Yeah,
Isn't
we're
it?
going to another campsite.
No, we're going home. We got to walk down off this super remote mountain location. Coffee done, everything packed up. No trash anywhere.
No.
Hashtag leaving a trace.
Hashtag keep it clean.
Nobody knows we've been here. And now we make our way back down the mountain.
Yeah.
But anyway, thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you. See you in the next episode.
Ah.
Bye.
See you next episode.
See you the next video then.
Ciao.